Today I am going to talk about how to make a good start in politics. So many people are asking, sir, I'm a newcomer in politics. How can I make a good start, or how can I start when I don't have any political background? So I would like to give you 5 or 6 ways how you can make a good start in politics and how you can become a successful politician even if you don't have any political background. First and foremost thing is, if you really want to get success in politics, you have to develop a zeal, an enthusiasm, a burning desire, so that you can get success in politics. And the people who are already established in politics, try to understand their working, how they are working, how they are getting success in politics, or how they are getting ticket from a particular party. When you identify them, you will find 2 3 common traits in all the political leaders who are successful. The first and most important trait is they have good team. So the newcomers, those who don't have any political background, what they can do, they have to develop their team. Try to find out some people who can associate with you, who can guide you, or who can help you in different kind of work. Because even if you are capable to do all the works yourself, it will be very difficult for you that you can do everything yourself. As Acharya Chanakya said, that try to learn from the experience of others, because its lifespan is very short to learn or to do all experience on yourself. So try to develop some good team, try to find out some people who have the zeal or the potential and who are ready to work with you. Second, if you find the common thing in all the people who are successful in politics, they have the minimum resources. Suppose if you want to make food, or if you want to go somewhere and you don't have minimum resources, you don't have travel expense, you don't have the companion who are going to who want to go with you or who can go with you, then how will you manage things? It will be very difficult for you to get success in politics if you don't have minimum resources. There's so many people, 95% or 98% people who got failed in politics. The biggest reason for their failure is they don't have the minimum resources. First of all, you should know what are the minimum resources required. At each and every stage of politics, you require different kind of resources. So suppose if you are going to fight the election, or if you are going to have the frontal politics, then you require different kind of resources. On the other hand, if you want to go into the back end politics, or if you want to be the election manager, or if you want to do the campaign management, then the resources will be totally different. So you have to find out at which level, or the frontal or the back end level, you want to get success in politics, and what are the minimum resources required, and do you have the resources. Suppose if you don't have the resources, then what to do? Then you have to find out the people who have these resources and who are ready to support you. Because all the politicians who get success in politics, or who are right now successful, they got success because of their resources or because of the team who provided those resources to them. Third common thing in all the politicians, all the people from different political parties, they have some godfather, say they have some guide, they have some mentor who guided them. Because at every stage in politics, you require someone who can guide you, who can correct you, who can tell you whether you are right or wrong, what are the changes you required in your strategy time to time. In frontal politics, suppose if you are not getting ticket, if you are not getting opportunity, if you are not getting post, then what to do? What are the things required so that you can be in the first list of the political party, or you can be the candidate, or the party can give you opportunity to become the frontal representative of the political party. In the same manner, on back end stage, there are so many organizations, so many people who are working for back end politics, who are doing election management, who are doing campaign management. Why party should give you opportunity? You must try to identify those people who can guide you, who can mentor you, either in your political party or in other political party, or some people like us who are doing this professionally. So you can join anyone, but you must have some godfather, some person who can guide you, who can support you. So this is the first thing, first parameter by which you can get success in politics. You can make a good start in politics. Number two, you must have a crystal clear goal where you want to go in politics. There are so many people in politics. When I ask them, they come to me in counseling. When I ask them that what's your aim of life, what you want to do in politics, or why you want to enter into politics, most of them don't know where they are going, why they are entering into politics. Now, some says that my target is to become member of parliament, member of legislative assembly. So I ask them, why you want to be the member of parliament? So they got shocked. Why? Because it's my aim. So I asked them, why it's your aim? Why you want to be the member of parliament? You must have some reasons for that. If you don't have the reason, and if you don't have the solid reasons, then what will happen? Suppose if you want to be the member of parliament, or if your aim is to be the member of parliament, but you get the opportunity to become a member of legislative assembly, soon you will grab that opportunity. And sometime what happen? The person has the potential or caliber to become the member of parliament, but party identify that. And what party wants? Party wants that the person should contest the lower level election, and he or she loses. Once you lose the lower level election, then what they will say? They will say you can't able to win the election of corporation or election of member of legislative assembly, and your dream is to become the member of parliament. So why you want to have that dream? Either you change your dream, or either you should first try to develop strategies so that you can win lower level election. And as I said, if you have the potential of higher level, it will be very difficult for you at lower level to win. So sometimes most of the talent in Indian politics ruined because of that, because they started at lower level, or level uh, much lower than their capability or their capacity. Third, again, if you really want to make a good start in politics, try to have minimum 5-year plan. Yes, minimum 5-year plan. And if you are not ready to give next 5 year to your politics, it's wastage of time to give next 5 minutes to the politics. Don't even give 5 minutes to the politics if you are not ready to give 5 years, next 5 year. And 5 year in what sense? 24 into 7. Yes, politics is a 24 into 7 job. There is no holiday for politicians. There is no rest day for politicians. 24 into 7, all the 7 days you have to work, all 365 days you have to work. If you're not ready for that, then focus on your business, focus on your other responsibilities. Don't try to enter into politics. The people fail because of this reason, because they think that politics is a part-time job. And you might have seen part-time politicians, the people who do 9 to 5 business or job, and 7 to 10 they start doing politics, wearing good kurta pajama, and they start sitting on different shops and different places, and they say, I know politics. No, they don't know politics. Actually, they are the victim of the politics, but they don't know that they are the victim, and no one has the power or the dare to say on their face that they are the victim. So in my opinion, if you really want to make a good start, try to have minimum 5-year plan, and 5 year 24 into 7 you have to work for the politics, work for your career. Further, if you have any doubt, if you want to ask anything, or if you want to get a proper counseling, you can contact me. You can find my detail in video description. And must tell about this video, the points which or any other topic on which you want video, I will try to develop video on that.